Bonjour mes amis, c'est moi, Patsy, Unique P, et bienvenue sur ma chaîne pour une autre vidéo. Aujourd'hui, we're going on an Accra hunt. First stop, Carrefour Restaurant. This was wonderful, but not so good Accra. But the music was great though. Had a wonderful time here. And danced all day. Next up is Cafe Creole. Another wonderful restaurant, sidewalk view. You could sit and have a wonderful afternoon. The ambience was great. Inside was just so magnifique. I loved it. Enjoyed looking at people, just spending a beautiful afternoon, looking at myself and looking at people. And the best shrimp ceviche ever, as well as best fish ever. I tasted it. Yes, I know it's not mine, but I had a little taste just to enjoy what it tasted like. And we just spent a wonderful afternoon. Next up is French Karib. Now, here is where it's Accra heaven. Ambience was great. The music was great. And look at this Accra. It was delicious. Look at the size and that dip that they provided. Absolutely wonderful. All of their other food was nice too, but I really was just there for the Accra. Had a wonderful time. Look at that. How delicious. I was in Accra heaven. It was so very good. Just have a wonderful time tasting. And that sandwich, it's called a dish sandwich. Never heard about it before, but that too was great. Just wonderful spending time with friends and having a good afternoon. It was absolutely so great that I had to go back for a second time. And I enjoyed every moment of it again. It was wonderful. It was great. Had a best time ever. And then, of course, I had to leave